This channel earns $5,791 every month just by making rust removal videos on products. No camera, no face, just AI. In this video, I'm showing you how to make a higher quality and more sustainable version of this content. And I'm giving you the master prompt for free. But first, let's go to Gemini to start producing. After entering the Gemini gem I specifically prepared for this content, we type start to launch our bot. Then after fully answering the questions that come about your video, such as the rusty product, spray color, location, and cleaning tool, our bot will give us 5 image scene prompts and 4 image to video conversion prompts based on your request. The reason for this is to produce content of higher quality than our competitors, while also adding a storyline to the video. To access this gem and the master prompt for free, you can check out our Telegram group's Master Prompts room via the link in the video's description. After our prompts are produced, we first copy our first image prompt and go to the OpenArt website. On the OpenArt website, we click on the Create Image tool in the side menu, and in the screen that opens, we first select NanoBanana 2 as the production model at the top, then paste our first prompt that we copied into the image production prompt section below. After setting our output settings to 9:16 vertical format and 1K image resolution, we click the Generate button to create our first image. Our first image looks like this as a reference. We save it, and to create our second image, we first go back to Gemini. We copy our second image scene prompt that we produced from Gemini, and this time click on the Edit Image tool in the side menu on OpenArt again. In the screen that opens, we first drag and drop our first scene image into the Reference Image section, then paste the second scene prompt we copied into the Image Production Prompt section, and after making sure the image production model is NanoBanana 2 again, we click the Generate button to produce our second scene. The result at the end of production will look like this. We check it and save it, and go back to Gemini again to move on to the final part, the video production stage. Finally, we copy our first video production prompt from Gemini, and after returning to the OpenArt website, we click on the Frame to Video tool in the side menu this time. In the panel that opens, we first select Kling 3.0 as the video production model at the top. Then we drag and drop our first produced image scene into the start frame and our second produced scene into the end frame section in the panel. After pasting the video production prompt we copied into the prompt section, we make sure the audio settings are on and set the video output settings to 6 seconds video duration and 720p video quality, then click the Generate button. Of course, you can choose different production models and resolution options based on your budget throughout the production process according to your preferences. But most importantly, make sure to create original and effort-driven content in line with YouTube's strict policies on this type of content. Otherwise, keep in mind that you may not be able to sustain your presence on YouTube for long. Here is what our finished video looks like. If you want to improve your content production and editing skills, join our free communities via the link in the description. There you can connect with like-minded creators, and together we can build the largest content creation community in the world. If you enjoyed the content, leave a like. It means a lot to us. Drop your content requests and suggestions in the comments. We read every single one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.